One of the biggest challenges of living with roommates is ensuring that cleaning responsibilities are shared evenly and fairly. One roommate might cook a lot and leave dishes in the sink, while another reheats takeout like a champ. One roommate might invite groups of friends over, while another ends up moving empty drink cups off the dining room table so they can study. How do you balance the schedules, interests, ideas of what clean actually is, and motivations of roommates to ensure the entire home stays clean and the cleaning duties are shared fairly? Strategies for sharing household cleaning duties. This is Renter Confidential. On one hand, it should be incredibly easy for four grown adults to figure out how to share cleaning responsibilities so no one feels like they're taking the brunt of the household cleaning duties. But you'd be surprised how often this comes up. Left unchecked, it threatens to derail otherwise stable, affordable housing situations. Once the complaints reach the property owner, everyone may be pushed out in the hopes that the next group of roommates will be better behaved. But it doesn't have to be that way. There are powerful strategies that allow roommates to work together and ensure everyone carries their weight. The first strategy is to create a cleaning schedule. This schedule details all the different cleaning tasks and assigns them to each roommate on a rotating basis. This ensures that responsibilities are shared fairly and no one feels burdened with all the cleaning duties. The result is that everyone knows what they're responsible for at all times. Next, define the cleanliness standard. What does clean actually mean? Does clean mean all the dirty dishes are in the dishwasher? Or does it mean the dishwasher actually has been turned on and run? Can items be left on the countertop in the bathroom? And if so, which ones can stay there? This shouldn't just be defined by a conversation, but it should be written down and posted for everyone to see. Communication is key. Encourage open and honest communication among roommates. Any issues or concerns about cleanliness must be addressed in a calm and respectful manner. Passive-aggressive behavior just sows the seeds of future conflict. Instead, discuss any problems as soon as they arise. It's important that the cleaning expectations be realistic. Obviously, the house won't pass a white glove inspection all the time, but generally a basic common area cleaning once a week will keep the house in decent shape. If deeper cleaning such as carpet shampooing is required, then that's a special situation for those in the house to discuss. It might go without saying, but cleaning properly requires cleaning supplies. The cost of cleaning supplies should be split evenly among those in the house. Make sure there are enough cleaning supplies readily available in the common areas. This includes items like brooms, mops, sponges, and cleaning solutions. Having easy access to these supplies makes it more convenient for roommates to tidy up. America is in the grip of a housing crisis. There's evidence of it in nearly every city. 50% of U.S. households are having difficulty paying rent. And prices? Well, prices are on the rise. Frustration has set in for those trying to make ends meet, and searching for a new place can be a daunting task. It can seem overwhelming. People believe that landlords have all the power. After all, they have what you need. But it isn't true. Yes, you heard correctly. It is not true. You have more power than you think. Inside the new book, Rental Secrets, you'll learn how to reduce your rent. Just imagine having a lower rent payment. Get better value for your money. Paying rent is a struggle. Shouldn't you get more out of each payment? How to negotiate with the right people. Who has the real power to negotiate? Take control of rent renewal conversations. After all, it's your money. And even how to get free rent. Yes, it is absolutely true. Free rent is real, and you can get it. All this and so much more is in Rental Secrets. Get your copy today at Amazon.com. As a roommate in this situation, lead by example. Be the one who takes it upon themselves to follow the schedule and clean up when it's your turn, and do it without complaint. This can inspire your roommates to follow suit and contribute to maintaining a tidy living space. Public recognition is a powerful tool in convincing other roommates to do their part. Acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of your roommates when they contribute to keeping the common areas clean. Positive reinforcement can help build a sense of teamwork and encourage continued cooperation in maintaining cleanliness. Another very powerful motivator is fun. Each roommate should discover what makes the time spent cleaning more enjoyable. Maybe it's having sports on TV as they clean. For others, listening to their favorite songs might do the trick. Or they may just reward themselves with a treat or dining out. But the point is for each roommate to find what works for them. To take it to the next level, here's a pro tip. Encourage roommates to create a text group with other fellow roommates. Once a roommate has done their scheduled cleaning duties, they take a video or photo and post it to the group chat. This creates a record of who did what on what day. Everyone gets credit for the cleaning they've done. No one can claim that they clean more than anyone else. And if someone left a mess in the house for someone else to clean, that too can be documented with this system. Keeping the house clean is something that must be done. Without cleaning, the house will eventually attract pests, insects, and rodents, and nobody wants that. Since having roommates is one of the best strategies to keeping housing affordable, it is imperative to prevent conflict around cleaning from getting in the way. There are house-level strategies to do this, like creating a cleaning schedule, defining what clean is, and clearly communicating realistic expectations. But there are also individual strategies like leading by example, publicly recognizing those who clean, and finding your own motivation to pitch in. By following these strategies, roommates can consistently keep their homes clean and ensure that the responsibility for cleaning is shared evenly. Consistency, collaboration, and respect for each other's efforts are fundamental to ensuring a clean and pleasant living space for everyone. Thanks for watching Renter Confidential. Happy apartment hunting. And remember, when it comes to renting, insider information is the best roommate you can ever have.